Hello Internet, and welcome to our second video about MCP and how to create our own MCP servers in Python. So for that there's a specific SDK which is the MCP CLI in Python, and this allows us then to create our own model context protocol servers, and which allows us then to extend and give our, for instance, Claude Desktop or Cursor AI and so on additional functionalities. And in this video, we're going to explore how we can add the YouTube transcript API to Claude Desktop, which allows then Claude Desktop, if we ask for a summary of a YouTube video or highlight the key points of a video, then Claude will access this MCP server and then will return to us the most important points of this video. So one thing to mention here is, of course, this will only work if the YouTube video, which you paste the URL, has the transcript enabled. So if that's not the case, if the transcript is disabled, then of course this will not work. So, having said that, let's get started. So as you can see here, I already created the script just to save some time, but the idea is that what we need this fast MCP server, which is kind of similar to fast API, right? So at least to me it reminds me of that, but we basically say instantiate, first import server, then we instantiate it here, and then we can name it something. Now important here is that we also specify dependencies. There are two ways to do that. We can either do it directly here in the MCP server. The other way would be to do it in Claude Desktop, where we can also specify in the JSON what the dependencies are. I'll show you that in a minute. So for that, as you can see here, we instantiate the server, and then we have here actually only two functions. The first one is the extract the video URL, because for the YouTube transcript, we need the video URL. And of course, normally I paste the whole YouTube link in Claude Desktop, and then Claude Desktop first needs to fetch the video URL, and then this video URL will be used inside, in this case, this MCP tool. We need to decorate that, and this is our function, and it has, of course, proper docstring, so Claude will then know, okay, how can I use this function? What can it do for me, right? And that's the idea here. So we have the function itself. Important, as I said, we need this decorator from mcp.tool, so that our MCP server has then this tool enabled, and then Claude Desktop can use this tool. So then we just extract the transcript itself, and the transcript will be returned. As you can see here, just extract the text and then returns this text to Claude Desktop. And as I said, in turn, Claude Desktop will use the transcript and then give us the final answer. That's the idea behind that. Okay, so the last thing here is that we just use the name domain. So if Claude is calling this MCP server, then the server will start running. So the idea is that the MCP server is not running all the time, but instead, if we ask a specific question related to YouTube videos, then Claude Desktop will run the server and then will fetch the transcript and then give us the response. So that's the idea. So that's basically the script in here. If you want to have it as well, just let me know in the comments, and I will also share it with you if you want to have it. But that's basically it. It's not that complicated. And then if you have created this, what you need to do is you need to install it. And this can be done, as you can see here, using mcp install YouTube transcript server.py. So that's the name of the package. In this case, for me, it's YouTube transcript. Of course, if the name is different for you, then of course you need to rename that here. But basically you run mcp install. And as I said, that's why we need to install mcp as well as Python dependency, of course. So that's basically it. Next, when you run this, what will happen? Well, what happens is that if I go take a closer look, I can show this to you, inside the configuration, let me show you where this is. So I'm on a Windows computer. There on Windows, you can find it under Claude itself in app data, but there's a Claude desktop JSON configuration file, that's it. And this is where you find all the MCP servers you have installed on your system. So let me show you how that looks like. So that's it. And for me, currently I have two MCP servers. The one is for stock data, so that Claude is able to retrieve the latest stock information for me and give me current price of a specific stock, for instance. And the second one here is this YouTube transcript extractor, which I have shown you in this video. And the command is both here UV, so Claude can run it with UV. And then there are these two options, as I said before. In the YouTube transcript extractor, we specified the dependencies directly inside the code. So let me show you this one more time. If I scroll up, the idea is that the here dependencies are specified here, directly inside the code. That's one option. The other option, which is also available, and let me show you this as well, is here. For instance, for this one, this MCP server with the stock data, what I did was I specified it directly in here. So in the command line with, and then there's this Y finance package. So that's the other option. You can also specify it here. In this case, this was also done here, but this actually is not required. This can also be actually removed, or actually it's added maybe by default, but it is enough if you specify it here in dependencies. Okay, so that's basically it. And now, if this is done, then what you need to do is you need to restart your Claude desktop, just in case you have already opened it. Just close it and restart it. And if that's the case, you should see then actually here the new tools which are available, these MCP tools. And if you click on them, you can also see what's available. For instance, here, get stock fundamentals for me, get stock news data, get stock price. And actually the last one, this is what you would also have if you would also use this YouTube transcript MCP server, which is this one here, which also has a description what it can do for us. So, and if that's the case, then we can actually ask it about any kind of transcript. For instance, if I say, summarize the key points of this video, right? And then I paste the YouTube video, for instance, like that. And if I run this, just a second, then Claude will just search for the MCP servers. And now you can see it, it runs it. It asks me, do you want to allow this for this chat or only once? Yes, I want to allow it for this chat. And then it uses now the MCP server, fetches the transcript, and now there's a transcript, and now it gives me the key points of the interview. So for instance, this one was about Amazon and its CEO about the recent tariff discussion, right? And now I get here the information back there, and I can read through it if I want to do that. So that's basically the idea, because by default we all know that Claude Desktop, for instance, would not have access to the internet, and certainly not to this specific YouTube video. But if we extend its functionality using MCP servers, like the one we have created in this video, then we can give Claude actually any kind of functionality we want. So if there's an option to get data via an HTTP request, for instance, or interact with a database or anything like that, we can give this to Claude and also to Cursor. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If that is the case, let me know in the comments. Also, please share it, and also please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot, take care, and hopefully see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.